So, hi guys, this video is on how to install MIUI 13 pre-alpha. So, here the prerequisites are an unlock bootloader, remove all your password and security, remove your Google accounts. If you are on MIUI, then remove your Mi account, and this ROM can be flashed from any custom ROMs or stock ROM or your Xiaomi ROM. So, all you do, and you need to, your bootloader should be unlocked, and you need to have the TWRP recovery in your phone and download the ROM and keep it in your internal storage. The ROM size is pretty big. It is actually 4.5 GB. So here it is. So now all you do is reboot to recovery. So wait for the phone to reboot to recovery. Yeah, the TWRP is booted. So go to wipe, advanced wipe Dalvik card cache, and swipe to wipe. Then I forgot that you need to even have your latest TWRP image file in your internal storage. So now go to head to install, then select your ROM, then just don't select anything. Just select just select this both and just swipe to confirm flash. Wait for the ROM to get flashed. It's gonna take a pretty long time because the ROM size is so big. So okay, the ROM has flashed. These errors can be ignored. You generally get that error while flashing an 8 ROM. So step 1 and step 2 is success. Now all we do is go to advanced, install recovery RAM disk, and select your latest TWRP image. Swipe to install. Okay, it's done. Now go back, wipe, advanced format data, and type in yes. Yeah, now select. Yeah, it's done. Now reboot system. Now it's installed. It's fine. Just reboot the system. Oh, you can see the in MIUI 13 you'll be getting this kind of MI logo. So wait for the ROM to boot. It might take some time. Sound is too loud, you know. So here we go. It's the MIUI 13. Oh, everything is in Chinese. So just change it to English. Skip. Oh, you can see you can see these animations. Okay, swipe it. Oh, you can see the ROM is all good. So you'll be getting a new control center and the actual stable MIUI 13. Okay, some maps are in Chinese. Okay. Settings here. So as you can see, the MIUI 13 beta. So we are having the Android 12. And MIUI 13 is based on Android 12. So let's put it to 120 Hertz. Okay, let me just set up everything. Okay, so I've set up, but still I don't know how to change it to 120 Hertz. As there's no option in settings. There might be, but I don't know. So that is all. It's on how to install the MIUI 13. Sorry, MIUI 13. And that's all. So please like, share, and subscribe.